As you can see, the bar is up there. It's gonna be glass, looking glass right around. Yes, man, you don't know, it's all about lunchtime then here.
Yeah, but remember, I want alone, you get it.
Yes, sir, you don't know at lunchtime.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. It's all about your boy Ever Slick, and in today's video it's all about Believe Paradise Cave. It's all about, there's a VIP bar inside. Look in the background. Yeah, as you can see the cave. Yeah, Believe Paradise Cave. You can go and check it out on the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yes, me viewers, you don't know, it's all about the VIP bar. Alright, so stick and stay on the channel to see what's coming next. Yes, my people, you don't know. As you can see the view, it's a beautiful look. Yeah? When I reach up on the balcony, I'm gonna show you what's going on down here. The beauty of the place. It's all about Believe Paradise Cave. And as you can see, I here underneath a plum tree trying to get some plum. As you can see underneath the tree, there's a lot of chicken fowls underneath here, but there's a lot of spoiled plum here. Whoa, I am so late, my people, so late. Stacey, big up yourself. Whoa, look at this one here. Whoa, I'm so late, but trust me, here is one without any bite, my people. So yes, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about find one with a little bite. So I'm gonna test it. As you can see, the view is beautiful, my people. Yeah, in the hills and valleys of Campbell, Believe Paradise Cave. So just stick and stay on the channel because I will be going up the cave. Let me show you what's going on. We'll be going up the cave, as you can see in the background. Yeah, to show you the VIP bar, what is happening inside here. But as you can see, the view is beautiful, and I'm gonna show you the hills and valleys, all the farming, what's going on here. You know, there's a lot of farm here. All right, stick and stay. So yes, my people, it's all about the hills and valleys of Campbell's. There's a lot of farming, Burnt Hill. Yeah, there's a lot of farming going on here. When I reach up on the balcony, I'm gonna show you the view right around. All right, my people. So yes, stick and stay. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright, it's all about the beauty of the place, you know what I mean? As you can see here, it's a fruitful place. So my people, just stick and stay, and you will see what is happening inside the cave. Upful rise, my people. Blessed love. It's all about a little cooking and go on. So I have some fish inside here. Yeah? And some little knickknacks. Cause you don't know, it's all about spice, alright? Yes, my viewers, you hear how sharp I'm blowing here? I'm so tired. I'm coming from way down there. That is the plum tree, yeah? The plum tree is there, right there. That's where I'm coming from. Trust me, it's not an easy task, man. Whoa! Stacey, can you see the view? Whoa, it's a beautiful view from here because I am about 200 feet inside of here. Whoa. Yes, so all those areas are farming areas. As you can see, mostly yellow yam, banana, potato. Over there, as you can see, it's a cabbage farm over there. Yeah. So yes, there's like a corn piece down here where the vehicle park. A vehicle park down there. Trust me, people, watch the hills and the valleys. It's all about Campbell's, Burnt Hill. Yeah? So stick and stay, my people. Don't reach to the bar yet. So the next video, I'm gonna click to the bar, alright? So yeah, man, up full and mighty again. Yes, my people. Yes, man, you don't know, it's all about lunchtime then here.
Yeah, but remember, I want alone, you get it.
Yes,
I want alone, you get. Yeah.
I boss not to know. I boss not to know, Stacey, you here, alright. John,
You make sure you send them signature and then I'll say, yeah man, you say after me give me money.
Alright, you hear that, Anna? Alright. I listen now. I don't know man no graduate from high school for chef, but you don't know man can do them things. You see what I say? What you mean, Stacy? I this one for you, Stacy, now yourself. And I go cut off my neck. Yo! Yes man, I pack that to people. Big up on yourself, you don't know, it's all about Jamaican farmers. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video coming out, alright? So yes, I the fish pot that. And it kind of almost ready.
Watch it no man. Watch it no man.
Watch it no man, I believe Prardise gets to do that. Yo, Sergeant that.
Yes sir, you don't know at lunchtime. Lunchtime, my people. Dip on the pumpkin first thing, you know? Yeah? You know? Yes, my people. At lunchtime. Yes, my people, you don't know, the moment has come. It's all about time to go to the VIP bar. So here we go on. We're up on the 3rd floor. The dance floor is the 3rd floor. Yeah? So the bar is up there. As you can see, the bar is up there. So that is where I'm going right now. Yeah, my people. So watch the lick now. Yeah? Going up some stairs here. Yes, my people. The VIP section we are going to right now. So construction are going. Cause you don't know. It's all about construction. Yeah, manager, you know.
Believe man.
Yes man, that is the man them called Believe. I feel him dream this. So I see my people. So yeah. Yeah man, I'm in the VIP section right now. This is the first location, as you can see. Let me show you the back here. Yeah man, here is the yeah, construction is going on, as you can see. My viewers looking down on the dance floor, the 3rd floor. Yeah, but yes, my people, see it here. It's all about inside of a cave. Yeah, all these I'm gonna be spray with varnish, so it's gonna be shine and looking good. So yes, my people, down here is the first section of the VIP bar. There is a seat is gonna be here. Yeah, a seat is gonna be around there. So if you want to chill around there, you can chill around there. Yeah, and there's a step gonna be here to go up the top here to go to the next section of the VIP bar. So over there is the bar. Yeah, and as you can see, this is the next space again. Yeah, and if the light is flashing now and then, you know, I have some light with sensor here. Once you pass the light, it come on. Yes, my people, so you don't know. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, here is the bar. Here is the counter, as you can see. It's gonna be sand and then varnished. Yeah, as you can see, glass is going to go inside here. Looking glass is going to be here. Looking glass. Yeah, here is the door. You tilt over to go inside. Yeah. Alright. So inside of the bar here, it's gonna be glass. It's gonna be glass. Looking glass right around. And there's gonna be shelves right around. Yeah, so trust me, my people, when this bar finish, yeah, the front here is gonna have some pattern here, but as I said before, construction is going on right now. So this is just the start of it. And the floor is gonna be marble floor. Yeah, there are marbles gonna be all over the floor here. So just stick and stay to the channel, you will see. Yeah. So yes, I'm going back down. And in this bar, when you're here, you don't have to go back outside. You don't have to go back outside. There is a room around there, and a bathroom is in construction right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna go around the room to show you guys what's going on around there. This light is not working. Let me get this light, my people. I want to show you the bathroom. It's under construction, but you know. Yeah, it's under construction, but you know. So yes, my viewers, the bathroom is here. Yeah, here is the bathroom. It's under construction right now, but it pipe up on everything already. Here is the room, yeah, under construction same way. So when everything is finished, you guys will see what's going on. So yes, my people, you don't know. As you can see, all this is gonna be sprayed with varnish, yeah, to be nice and smooth. There's AC is gonna be inside here. There's fan is gonna be up here. There's a next fan gonna install up here. Yes, you don't know. All those work belongs to me to install all those fan and lights and whatsoever gonna be here. Yeah man, the VIP bar inside the cave here. Yeah, believe Prardise cave. Alright, so over here it is gonna set up for anyone who come here and want to take pictures. They can take pictures over here. Here it's gonna be a backboard for persons to take pictures. Alright, so yes, you don't know, it's all about believe Prardise cave. Yeah, you don't know, it's all about Jamaica. I give you guys in Jamaican terms, you know what I mean, patois. Yeah, all the way. Real. So look down on third floor. Yeah, boss I catch up in fire down there, car. You know, inside the cave here, it's cold up here. Yeah, very cold up here. So yes, my people, this is it. This is it, my viewers. So when inside here finished, it's gonna be beautiful. Yeah, so just stick and stay to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut, and you will see when all this is up and running. There's gonna be a lot of party here, as usual. Yeah, we keep a lot of party down here now. You can check out the channel to see party that keep down here on the dance floor. Yeah, just go on Jamaican Farmers Hut and you will see. Just type in Believe Prardise Cave. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, stick to the channel. Soon forward. Yeah, my people, you don't know now. It's all about time to go. So don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to see the next video coming out. It's all about Believe Prardise Cave and Jamaican Farmers Hut. My people, my name is Ever Slick and I'm gonna be out for now. See you in the next
Video.